Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you about Apple Fitness Plus. Alright, let's begin. Apple Fitness Plus is Apple's premium workout subscription service designed to provide guided workouts across various categories like strength, yoga, cycling, and HIIT. Integrated with the Apple Watch, it promises a seamless and interactive fitness experience. But does it live up to the hype? After trying it for a while, I'm here to share my honest thoughts on whether it's worth your time and money. One of the biggest advantages of Apple Fitness Plus is its incredible integration with the Apple ecosystem. If you have an Apple Watch, the experience is smooth and engaging. Your real-time heart rate, calories burned, and activity rings appear on screen during workouts, providing instant motivation. The workouts are accessible on an iPhone, iPad, or Apple TV, making it convenient to exercise from virtually anywhere. Whether you prefer the gym or working out at home, you'll find something that fits your needs. Another highlight is the variety of workout options. Apple Fitness Plus offers everything from high-intensity workouts to mindful cooldowns. There are workouts for beginners and advanced users, and new content is added weekly to keep things fresh. The trainers are energetic and knowledgeable, offering modifications for different fitness levels. Plus, the ability to filter workouts by time, intensity, and music style makes it easy to find the right session for your mood and schedule. However, despite its strengths, Apple Fitness Plus isn't perfect. One downside is that it's only available to Apple users. If you don't have an Apple Watch, you can't access the full experience, which might be a deal breaker for some. Additionally, while the workouts are high quality, they can feel repetitive over time, especially if you stick to one category. Another drawback is the lack of personalized training. The workouts are designed for a broad audience, so you won't get a customized plan like you would with other fitness apps. The subscription costs $9.99 per month or $79.99 per year, which is reasonable for what it offers, especially if you're already deep into the Apple ecosystem. It's also included in the Apple One Premier bundle, which might be a better deal if you use multiple Apple services. So, is Apple Fitness Plus worth it? If you're an Apple Watch user who enjoys guided workouts and wants a convenient way to stay active, then yes, it's a solid choice. However, if you're looking for highly personalized training or don't use Apple products, you might be better off exploring other fitness apps. So that's all about Apple Fitness Plus. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.